Hello, welcome back to Open News. Today I'm going to make a video on Nothing Phone. Nothing Phone was going to launch in this month, like a July 17. Before going to Nothing, we should know about the Carl P is the owner of like a right now previously like a OnePlus co-founder is known co-founder was Carl P. Technology startup Nothing else set to launch its first smartphone. The company has confirmed that it will launch Nothing Phone in India like July 12th. like a Carl P was the like a main initiative who is behind like a OnePlus success. And after in 2020 he left the OnePlus and he started creating his own mobile company. There's nothing technology in this mobile in this company. They are going to launch by this month. They're going to launch a nothing one mobile. In this nothing phone one we have so many features like this we have a LED flashlight and a round of these cameras here is we also have one more camera light. Here also backside we have light strap. Like a, this design like attract a lot, like how they make successful phones like a OnePlus. Now they are into like a nothing phone was like a sponsor, like a, there are so many investors around the world. Along with Calpay, there's so many the investors are from there to this invest on this nothing mobile. They're going to launch this mobile. This comes with a they're coming. They didn't launch like reveal much specification. Backside we have a two cameras along with a small flashlight. With this mobile you can make good photographs as well as in the event in India. The event will be like a Tuesday 12th July 20 8:30 Indian Standard Time. To watch like a stay tuned for update. They already launched like a transparent airports. These are the transparent airports like for better quality and for better designing. They launched initially they launched this one like a white color transparent earpods, and later they launched dark edition brilliant sound. These are the few things about like a the, with these mobiles they're going to revolutionize the market. Like with this nothing mobiles, he's the man who called me. He's the man who behind the nothing success and OnePlus success. Like we're going to here are the few investors around the world who invested on this nothing mobile, like a Google Venture Series A investor and Steve Hoffman. He's the CEO and co-founder of Reddit, and Kevin Lin, co-founder of Twitch, like online streaming, like Josh Barclay, CEO of Product of Content, and Liam Castle, founder and CEO of PCH, and Paddy Cogres, founder of Web Summit, and Cassie Neistat is a world popular YouTuber. These are the main investors who behind this one nothing in funding team. Now you have to stay tuned. There's so many features are there in this mobile, like especially backside design. It was attracting me a lot, and I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos like this, stay tuned for Punjos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.